Hey everyone, imagine powering your home with the same force that keeps the planets in motion, the sun. Today, I'm going to explain how solar panels work in a way that makes sense and keeps things interesting. Step 1. Catching the sun's rays. Solar panels are made up of small units called photovoltaic cells. Photo means light, and voltaic means electricity, so photovoltaic simply means producing electricity from light. These cells are usually made of silicon, which is great at absorbing sunlight. When sunlight hits a PV cell, it excites electrons inside the silicon. Sounds cool, right? Step 2. The electricity dance. Electrons are these tiny charged particles that usually stay put inside atoms. But when sunlight gives them energy, they start moving around. This movement of electrons creates an electric current, which is what powers our homes and gadgets. But hold up, the electricity here is direct current, DC, which our home appliances can't use yet. Step 3. The power makeover. Most homes and businesses run on alternating current, AC. So we need to convert that DC electricity to AC electricity. That's where inverters come in. They transform the raw DC electricity into AC, making it safe and usable for everything from your lights to your refrigerator. Step 4. Using or storing the energy. Now that the electricity is ready, you can use it right away or store it for later. If your system includes a battery, excess electricity can be saved for use at night or on cloudy days. No battery? No problem. Extra electricity can be sent back into the power grid, often earning you credits on your utility bill, a process called net metering. Step 5. Powering the future. With enough solar panels, you could generate all the electricity your home needs and even contribute to the wider energy grid. Solar energy is renewable, sustainable, and environmentally friendly, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Plus, as solar tech improves, panels are becoming more efficient and affordable, making solar power an increasingly attractive option for homeowners and businesses. Why solar power is a game changer. Besides slashing your electricity bills, solar energy helps fight climate change by reducing carbon emissions. Here's a fun fact. The sun delivers more energy to Earth in 1 hour than humanity uses in an entire year. If we can harness even a fraction of that power, the possibilities are endless. So next time you see a solar panel, remember it's more than just a shiny surface. It's a gateway to a cleaner, more sustainable future.